The card scraper, an essential tool in every wood shop. But do you struggle to sharpen yours? Let me show you a technique that I've used for years to sharpen my card scrapers. Very effective, very simplistic. It only takes a few minutes. Let me show you how. So let me show you my method of sharpening my scrapers. I use a diamond plate, a piece of hardwood, more about that in a minute, a burnisher, and a spritz bottle. So I'll get started by wetting my diamond plate. And just removing my burr. I'm using the hardwood just to hold it flat, but you don't need that. You can do it like this also. You can tell when the burr is removed because you can no longer feel it. We're going to do that on all edges. Again, you can use your hardwood. With the burr removed, I'm going to use my hardwood to keep my scraper at 90 degrees. And all I'm doing is just flattening that edge. Again, that hardwood is holding my scraper 90 degrees. Flip it over. And what you should see is a thin, shiny line along the length of the card scraper. If you don't have that, continue making that edge real flat. Now I'm going to draw out the metal. I'm going to place my scraper at the edge of my bench with my burnisher flat. And I'm just drawing out the metal. Both sides. Both edges. Now with my scraper mounted vertically in my vise, I'm going to take the burnisher and I'm going to drop the handle about 5 degrees. And I'm going to burnish and form the burr. Let me show you how I do that. You can actually feel when the burr starts to form because the coefficient of friction gets higher. It actually feels like you have more drag on it because you do. Same thing on the opposite side. About 5 degrees. And listen to it. You can tell the difference in how it sounds. Same thing on the other side. Hold it down about 5 degrees. Listen to the sound of it. It's flat right now. Listen to the sound. As we progress and the burr is formed, listen to the sound of it. It also feels different. And you can tell when you have a burr established. You can feel the burr along the way. This is a piece of Brazilian rosewood that I ran through the Jonah and planer earlier. And even though it's pretty smooth, it does have mill marks. And we want to use our freshly sharpened scraper to help remove some of them. Let's see how we did. As you adjust the scraper to find the right angle for your burr, you can feel it. If you enjoyed this content and my method of sharpening the card scraper, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. Like the video and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think about this method of sharpening. I'm Steve Gaskins with Fine Woodworking in South Carolina. Love and appreciate you guys. God bless.